today, a delicious, spicy and creamy tagliatelle. Let's do it. The first thing we need to do for this dish is a little bit of prep. So you're gonna want some lovely fresh parsley. So take a nice sharp knife, dice your way through it until it's really nice and fine. Chop your parsley into a bowl, stick that to one side, and the next herb we're gonna use for this dish is some fresh basil. So remove the leaves from your basil, roll those up and chop your way through them so they're a little bit coarser than the parsley. And then stick your basil into a bowl and we're ready to cook. So pop a nice large saucepan of boiling water onto the hob, and you want to start by heavily seasoning the water. We want it really salty, and the best pasta I've found for this dish is some dried tagliatelle. So chuck your tagliatelle into the water, and it's really important to cook it about 2 minutes less than it says on the packet, because we're going to cook it for about 30 seconds to a minute in the sauce. And just quickly give the video a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. So once you're happy, you want to pop the saucepan to one side and stick a frying pan onto the heat. And you want to start by chucking your tagliatelle into the saucepan, and the first ingredient is some Nduja. Chuck about 1 to 2 tablespoons of Nduja into the saucepan and spend a minute to stir that through so it's beautifully coating the tagliatelle. And next, we're going to want some mascarpone cheese. Add a couple of tablespoons of your mascarpone, and then you want some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Grate in a nice generous handful of your Parmesan, and then give that a really good mix through with a wooden spoon or a spatula. Make sure everything is beautifully mixed together and really nice and creamy, and then it's really important to add a nice splash of your pasta water. At this point, you want to take yourself a lemon, chop off a nice couple of slices, and you want to squeeze a nice generous amount into the pasta. And just quickly make sure you subscribe to the channel below. Give that another good mixing through and a stir. Give the sauce a quick taste and add a small pinch of sea salt and black pepper if you need. And then you want to go in with a nice generous handful of your parsley and your lovely roughly chopped basil. Give that another really good stir. Give it a good tossing in the pan, and then we're ready to serve. So pile your tagliatelle onto the plate, and then the only thing you need to do now is get stuck in. So give it a try, guys, and I'll see you next time.